Hey traders, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about the breakout, right? So in the market, the 70% breakout are the fake breakout. Only 30% breakouts are the real breakout. So how to identify and how to trade on the fake breakout, right? So here you can see. So actually, why fake breakouts are happening? Fake breakouts happen because buyers and sellers are change their entry point to one level to the another level, right? So here you can see previously buyers are here, now buyers are here, this here, and now here, and after buyers are here. So this is why the buyers and the sellers always change their entry point to one level to the another level. This is why fake breakouts are happen. So how to trade on them, right? So wait a minute. This is the level, right? So this is the level. After breaking this level, if we got the 5-second confirmation, only then we can place our trade. Right here you can see the level is broke by this strong red candle. After that we are seeing a green one, right? So if we got the 5-second confirmation on the next candle, we can place our trade in place our trade. Okay, let's see. So here we can see the after this red candle finished here, after that we are seeing a strong green candle, so we can place our trade here, right? And it will be a winning trade. Here you can see market closed here above this line. So this is the first example, and the second example is okay. Here you can see, so this is the level. Market was broke by this red candle. After breaking this candle, we are seeing a reversal, right? So here you have to check the 5-second confirmation. If we have the 5-second confirmation, only then we can place here a call option, right? Here you can see. So here you can see, then previous candle was finished here. After that we are seeing again what? Again we are seeing a strong red candle, but here from here we are seeing a green candle start, right? Mean bullish candle or start, but we can take this as a confirmation, this as a confirmation, but we can take confirmation as a this candle because this is a strong candle. So we can place our trade here and market finished here. It also will be a winning trade. So this is how you can trade on fake breakout. But always remember, if there is a momentum, right? If there is a momentum, then market will not follow this. Always avoid the momentum. If market is in a momentum, then don't trade on a fake breakout. Because of the momentum, market will continue its motion. Yes. And here also an example, right? From here, this is also a level, and market is broke this level strongly by this, right? After that we are again seeing a what? Green candle. So if we have the 5-second confirmation, we can place our trade in right. Wait a minute, friends. Okay. So here you can see the previous candle was finished here. After that we are seeing this green candle, right? Actually we can take this green candle as a confirmation because the candle is not strong, right? We can this as a confirmation, right? So we can place our trade here. After that we are seeing a candle, strong green candle, and market close here, so it also will be winning. So this is how you can trade on a fake breakout, was always about the continuation. So this is about today's video.